Good morning, students. So, as we have started a new chapter, that is the articles. In the previous video, we have learned what is an article and we have understood what is a, an, and the. So, now we are going to understand the indefinite and definite articles. Okay, they are a and the only, but we have to understand in details. Okay, so you can see this slide, the indefinite and definite articles. Okay, so first one is using indefinite article. So where we use this indefinite article, how we use this okay, so is used in front of singular countable nouns. Always remember, it is always used with singular countable nouns like a person, animal or thing, so which are not specific, as we have learned in the previous video. Okay, so we don't use before uncountable or plural nouns. We don't use this before uncountable or plural nouns because we are using in the singular and countable nouns. Okay, if a noun starts with a consonant sound, so what are the consonant sounds? B, C, D, F, G, H, K, leaving all the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U, all are the consonant sounds. Okay, so comes before the noun. Where we use this it comes before the noun, because article when we are using articles, it always comes before the noun. Examples: a dog, a chicken, a boy, a teacher, a girl, a lesson. This all are the singular countable nouns, and it always starts with the consonant sounds. You can see this: D, C, B, T, G, L. So this is all about the using indefinite article, and this is about the Now see the next one. We are using indefinite articles n. Okay, so n is used in front of singular countable noun. It is also used in front of singular countable nouns. Okay, and which are not specific, as we have learned about the a is also used in front of singular countable nouns. Same with the n also. Okay, so we don't use n before uncountable plural nouns. Okay, same like a, we don't use this before uncountable or plural nouns. So if the noun starts with a vowel sound, see, A we have used with a consonant sound, and now N we are using with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U. So N comes before the noun. Okay, so vowels always comes before the noun. Example: an umbrella, an owl, an apple, an image, an hour, an enemy. So you can see there all are the vowel sound: U, O, A, I, H, E. Why we are putting H here? Because it's a silent. As I told you, n we are using when there is a silent word, silent alphabet. So H is the silent alphabet here. So R, when we are talking about, it's a R. O, U, R, R. H is not coming. It's not coming however. It's coming R. Okay, so when we are using R, so there is a H is silent, so we are using N before it. Like an honest man, honest. It's not a honest, it's a honest, because H is the silent letter. It's clear to you? So this is all about the N. Now come to last is using definite article. That was the indefinite article. Now a and n was the indefinite article. Now the is the definite article. So we use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. Okay, it doesn't matter here. But a and n are always used with singular nouns, countable. Okay, can you see here? Singular countable nouns we are using, but with the it's always used with singular, plural, countable or uncountable in front of all nouns to describe someone or something specific or unique. So why we are using it? When we want to describe something specific or something unique, and when we are using a and a, they are not specific. Okay, this is the difference between a, n and the. Okay, so this is examples, and here we don't mind whether it is consonant sound or vowel sound. Okay, like examples: the moon, the world, the sun, the atmosphere, the rain, the south, the west. So these are the examples where we use the. And one thing more about the we can understand here. You can see we use the. The is used before the names of rivers, oceans, mountain ranges, nations, famous buildings, holy books and unique objects. As we can have few examples like the Gangas, the Yamuna, the Nile, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, the Himalayas, the Alps, the English, the French, the Dutch, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the earth, the sky, the sun, the moon, the world. So these all are the names of rivers, oceans, mountains. Okay, so there we can use the. Okay, but one thing we have to remember, it describes always something specific or unique. So is it clear to you? So this is all about a and the. Okay, so just go through it, understand it, what I have explained you. Then I will send you one video. In that I will do some exercises, some questions of the exercises. Then you have to do in your book and in your notebook, and send it to me on a personal number for checking. Okay, that I will do in the next video. So thank you, have a nice day.